the area of Milwaukee for the following child: Janerion Cocroft, age 2, male, black, 3 feet 0 inches, 30 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Child was last seen North 23rd Street, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and is missing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Last seen wearing white t-shirt, diaper, no shoes. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Julius A. Cocroft, age 27, male, black, 5 feet 5 inches, 120 pounds, black chest, length, dreadlocks, hair brown, eyes. Last seen wearing black, red, yellow jacket and blue jeans. They may be traveling in an unknown black SUV. No further info available. Last seen heading southbound on North 23rd Street from location. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Janerion Cocroft, please contact Milwaukee Police Department at 414-933-4444.
25 points, on fire, getting it done offensively, but everyone